Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make lots of money in Gimkit in less amount of time. First, starting at $0, make $10. So here, okay, now go to the shop once you get $10 and go to money question. Before you go back to the questions, be sure to look at how much the next upgrade costs that you want to buy. So buy this. Don't continue to questions yet. Now check the streak bonus. We'll be saving up for this. The streak bonus is one of the best power-ups in the game of Gimkit. Okay, we got $20. Upgrade your streak bonus. Now we have to save up for the multiplier. Let's check how much that costs. $50, okay. Okay, we have $50. Do the multiplier. We won't be upgrading the multiplier that much because it doesn't help that much, so now we'll just be upgrading the money per question and the streak bonus. So now let's check what the next money per question costs. $100, okay. Name, durable, oof, generate. Okay, just one more dollar. Okay. Okay. Go to money per question. Buy this. Now we'll be making a lot of money. The streak bonus is 200. Okay. We'll get to 200 in less time. Wanton is wrecked. Okay, we got to $200. Go to shop and upgrade your streak bonus. So now we're gonna upgrade our money per question and streak bonus both to level 4. And then we'll change up things a bit. So let's check how much our money per question. Okay, 1K, 1,000. Okay, let's make that much. Almost there. One more question. Okay, we got 1,000. Upgrade this. Now let's check what the streak bonus costs. 2K, 2,000. Okay, let's get to 2,000. Okay, now we got 2,000. Upgrade this. Now we can just upgrade this, but this is a lot of money. So instead of doing this, actually, I guess we can save up for this. Let's see what the next one is. Okay, so instead of doing this, we will go to power-ups and we'll buy this after we upgrade each of our power-ups by 1 level. We'll be back there. Now we have to get to 10k. So take some time. If you don't want to do this and go faster, just save up enough money for the quad grader and buy it now. And then save up money for the rebooter, buy that, and then you can use the quad grader again. So each of your power-ups will be added 2 levels to each of them. Okay, avowed. Okay, let's just upgrade it now. This will take a long time. So we buy this. Now we use it. So that increased our level by 1. Now we have to buy the rebooter. Okay, let's just do 2 more questions. Okay, actually just 1. Okay, let's go here back. If you want, you can buy these before so you can get them again. So now we buy this. First we use these mini and mega bonuses. Okay, use the mini bonus, mega bonus. Okay, now the mini bonus. Now let's use that. See, we got all 3 paragraphs again. Let's use a quad grader. Now we're getting lots more money. Okay, gingerly. Okay, this is good. Let's check. Okay, let's use these first. Okay. Oh no. Okay, let's use it again. Okay. Now we go back. Let's check how much our next upgrade is. This is 300k. And this is 2 million. Okay. So now save up for the 300k. This game will only allow me to go to 100k. So you can keep on going to 300k, but that's one way to get lots of money really quickly. One way you could have done it different was not to wait till you get to level 5 and just buy the quad grader when you get to level 4 for the streak bonus and the money per question. I wasted some time by doing that. So that's another way to get money in Gimkit really fast. Thanks for watching and bye bye.